Congratulations, Sudeep sir, for your 10-year successful completion at BizConnect. Amazing journey for any organization who has just completed his 12 year, or someone who is working for them for last 10 years. So commendable job. You are one of the strongest pillar at BizConnect and plays a vital role to make BizConnect successful. As a colleague, thanks for your all support throughout the year, and in coming year look forward to working with you. Thank you so much and all the best.
Hello, hey Sudeep, hi. It's fortunate to speak about your success party of 10 years. Sudeep, when Sudeep comes to mind, it's always calmness, and he's achieved a lot of success, I would say. I'm fortunate enough to have worked with him when we were together at BizConnect. Very knowledgeable person, very hungry for learning new things. It's simply like he has achieved so much, but so less people know what he has done. It's always, I would advise to Sudeep is that you deserve a lot more than what credibility you get. So, just push yourself and get visible in front of everybody. Wish you all the best for your future.
I have started my career working under Sudeep sir, and I can say that he's my mentor, my guru, and a big brother. I have learned a lot of things from him and have a great respect for him. He's the one who has taught us how to communicate with the clients, how to deal with the escalations while keeping ourselves calm. And he's the one of the most skillful person BizConnect currently has, and is always ready to help us. I really enjoy working with him. It's been 8 years I have been working with him, and every time I speak with him or go on a sales call, always get to learn new things. Congratulations Sudeep sir on completing 10 years with BizConnect.
Hi Sudeep sir. First of all, thank you so much for my bottom of my heart. You are the very kind-hearted person I ever seen. And yes, I got the mentor. Yes, in our organization, after HR, you are the first person I met. And I remember that interview too. So sir, baseline for you is market trend come and goes, but the class remains forever. So congratulations on your 10 years, sir.
Dear Sudeep sir, many congratulations for your 10-year milestone.
आ जाइए।
Namaste. I'm Dr. Rucha Sudeep Takle. We have been knowing each other since we were in first standard. So why I have mentioned this is because I have seen his career growth, his development, and his transformation, great transformation into a very remarkable individual as a compassionate, very calm and grounded person. I have had the privilege of witnessing his countless sleepless nights, late night working, early mornings, his work, his hard work, his dedication to his professional career and personal growth as well. But what truly amazes me is his extreme positivity. He is super positive person, and the cherry on the top is he never gives up on anything, and that makes him very special. He's totally workaholic, and his commitment to his career is highly commendable. And for that, so Sudeep, on behalf of our family, I congratulate you on achieving this great milestone of this career, of your career, of this 10 years, and I wish you all the best, and thank you everyone. Have a great time.
Congratulations Sudeep on completing 10 years. It has been a great joy and pleasure to watch you grow in last 10 years. As the company has evolved, you have evolved. Right from taking multiple roles in the delivery organization to transitioning into sales has been really commendable. Your positivity, your ownership, loyalty, or performance all have been role model to all the employees. So keep up the good work. Wish you a long successful career at BizConnect. Congratulations and thanks a lot.
2016 साली जेव्हा मी BizConnect सोल्युशनमध्ये जॉईन झालो तेव्हा ॲडमिन पार्ट हा माझ्याकडे होता आणि सुदीप सर हे या सहकार नगरच्या ऑफिसला बसायला होते. तेव्हा सुदीप सर मला कॉल करून सांगायचे, अरे इथे एसी चालत नाही, इथे हाऊसकीपिंगचा माणूस नाही. तेव्हा मी बांदेरच्या ऑफिसमध्ये बसून इथले प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व्ह करायचो. तेव्हा मला फक्त सुदीप सर हे कॉलवरतीच माहिती होते. परंतु जेव्हा सुदीप सर बांदेरच्या ऑफिसला बसण्यास आले तेव्हा मला कळाले की अरे हे सुदीप सर. आणि तेव्हापासून जी जर्नी स्टार्ट झाली सुदीप सरांची आणि माझी टीम वर्क आणि जे बॉन्डिंग निर्माण झालं ते आजपर्यंत आहे. आज त्यांना बिस्कनेक्टमध्ये 10 वर्ष पूर्ण झाले. त्यामुळे माझ्याकडून हार्दिक शुभेच्छा त्यांना आणि त्यांनी त्यांच्या पुढच्या करिअरसाठी माझ्याकडून बेस्ट ऑफ लक.
हे सुदीप, congratulations for completing 10 years with BizConnect. Since the time I have joined, you always been great support to me, and your positivity is that great that I always look forward to that. Congratulations, thank you so much for your support.
Sudeep, heartiest congratulations on reaching an incredible milestone of 10 years with us. I have heard many wonderful things about your dedication and contributions in these last 10 years. Your hard work and commitment have been essential to our success, and I want to personally thank you for everything you have done. Once again, congratulations on this amazing achievement. Here's to many more successful years ahead. Best wishes. Thank you.